Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Tuesday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. It's been a very chilly start to the day. We've had temperatures down to the upper 40s and low 50s with light winds, mostly clear skies. Now the sun is up. That should help to warm things into the afternoon, and the winds are not going to be as strong today, and they're shifting a little bit from the northwest more so to the west or the southwest. It's going to be about a 5 to 15 mile per hour wind, and that will help to warm things up as well. Should be a lot of sunshine today, but it is a little bit hazy. We have some of that wildfire smoke overhead, not having a major impact on air quality as it is in the upper levels of the atmosphere. And I do think we actually see some of the smoke levels dropping as we go through the afternoon. So it should not be as hazy for the second half of today, and things are looking a little bit better for tomorrow as far as that smoke and haze is concerned. Again, mostly sunny skies today, just a few passing clouds in the north and east from Dubuque to Elkader and off towards Socorro. Otherwise, we'll lose that for the afternoon. Complete sunshine there, and then mostly clear skies for tonight. The cloud cover eventually builds in, though, for tomorrow. It'll be partly cloudy, but dry for most of the day. That will help to get us back to a high of near 90. That front, though, is going to settle in to somewhere around Highway 20. Late in the day tomorrow, and that's going to be the focus of the rain and the storm chances for late Wednesday through the rest of the week into the weekend. We are dry up until tomorrow evening. This is 6 p.m. here. There are the storms are going to track in after that. Some of the storms initially could be strong with maybe a little bit of hail, some gusty winds, and of course some heavy rainfall. Those will kind of move along that front, expand out a little bit, and that's kind of the first push of rain and storms heading into Wednesday night. Now, north of that front will be the best chance overall to see rain over the next week. You'll actually see the chance for some training thunderstorms, which is where the storms pop up, they move through, and then they redevelop behind there, and they keep moving over the same spot. That can produce some very heavy rainfall totals, and that's what you see north of the front Wednesday night through Thursday morning, so mainly our northern counties there. South of the front, not as active, although it's going to be pretty hot. It's going to be pretty humid south of that front for the day on Thursday. On the other side, still humid and warm, just not quite as hot. But the thing is, as we go through Thursday afternoon, maybe some scattered activity popping up because of the heat. So we'll look at maybe some low-end chances of that working its way through. And then really everything after that just kind of depends on where that front will set up. Probably going to wobble around just a little bit as we go through Friday and into the day on Saturday. Each day kind of building off of the last, and that introduces a lot of uncertainty to the rain chances, but they will be there at least through Saturday. And as we look at the severe risk for tomorrow and tomorrow night, it's a level 1 out of 5 risk along that boundary and for most of eastern Iowa. Really, again, just going to be the hail and the wind threat that we see there. And then as far as the rain is concerned, this is looking at the cumulative rain totals through the next week. Obviously, the best chance for some heavy rain will be in the north. And that's where we could see 1.5 inches to over 2.5 inches of rain. Now, as you go south, it's going to drop. In the middle of our viewing area from roughly Highway 18 to about I-80, we'll expect 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. South of I-80, 1/2 inch or less overall. And the most uncertainty will come in the middle area here, just kind of how that front is wobbling around. So that's where we're probably going to have some high variability with the overall rainfall totals. But again, as we go through today, things are warming up. Highs will be in the low to mid 80s. We're going to have a west wind, 5 to 15 with that hazy sunshine. Lows tonight drop down to the low 60s with mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, some 90s popping up, especially along in south of Highway 20. A little bit more humidity as well, so maybe a good pool day there up until the storms come in, probably about 7 p.m. or later. We'll have them on and off across the region for Thursday. Highs there about the mid 80s, so cooling down just a touch. And I think we settle into the low to mid 80s here through the weekend. I think we have a dry day on Father's Day Sunday, then we're right back to the rain chances on Monday.